Whenever anti-foreigner violence erupts, government officials will always come out to say this is not xenophobia, it is just the general crime and frustration over illegal immigration. But under international law, whatever name you call it does not take away the liability of the government. Let me explain. Whenever there is violence, looting or intimidation which targets people as a result of their origin or their immigration status, international law sees this as xenophobic hate crime. The government cannot hide under the guise that it was done by private mobs or by a local vigilante. Under the legal principle of state responsibility, every government has a positive duty to protect every citizen within its territory, whether the person is documented or not, whether the person is illegal or not. Under Article 5 of the International Convention on Elimination of All Racial Discrimination, it mandates that host countries have to guarantee the protection of non-citizens from violence and bodily harm, whether from government officials or from private institutions. When a state itself fails to prevent these attacks or to prosecute inciters, they on themselves have committed an international crime. When these acts happen, there are three options left for the home state, that is the country of the citizens. First, there is the diplomacy. This means that the country of the citizens affected can take a formal claim or demand financial compensation from the host country. Secondly, for countries in Africa, they can file a complaint in African Union. This is under the grounds that the host country violated Article 4 and Article 12 of the African Charter. And the third option left is to drag the host country, that is the country where the act was committed, to the International Court of Justice ICJ under Article 22 of the ICERD. Labeling these mob attacks as just criminal activity might be convenient for politics, but under international law, the treaties do not see such as just criminal activities. They see such as violation of human rights, which should not be conditional upon citizenship. Now, do you think that states claiming that these are just general activities is safe, or are they actually hiding under the guise of paying financial compensation or acting in accordance with the treaties? Let me hear your thoughts.